show you how to make donut using Pillsbury dough and butter. Yes, let's get started! First, we need to prepare 3 tablespoons of butter and let's melt it. Let's open the dough. Now let's put holes in the center. My little assistant today. This is her request. A donut. Oh, that's a cute one. I think it's done. Now let's dip them in the melted butter. Let's bake them for 13 to 16 minutes.
Yay, Mommy! I can't wait!
See you later! Wow, look at our donuts! Looking like donuts! Let's cool this down and let's prepare the glaze. Someone could have made
You!
Let's prepare the glaze. Now let's start to glaze them. First one. Oopsie. Kids will surely love this. What do you think?
I like it. I love it. It's just like Dunkin'.
Really? Oh, wow! Can you hear that, guys? It's just like Dunkin' Donuts.